Hello and welcome to my September allotment plot tour. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. Hey Casper. I have literally just cut the grass and that'll probably be the last cut of the year now. It's not perfect, but Casper ruins it anyway because he kicks it up. All the strawberries looking very autumnal. Loads of them. Babies that I need to put in the bits I couldn't fill. They're all there as well. There's some down there I need to fill up and behind. And I think it's starting to rain, so I'm going to have to go. So my flowers, I've been getting cut flowers for people. My leeks, apples, I need to harvest, I will do that soon. I'll give some to the chickens. There's my raspberries. My autumn fruit and raspberries I've just noticed actually did give me fruit, which I'm surprised about. The greenhouse, we have actually ordered the glass now and it is all secured in so it can't blow away anymore. I've harvested the pumpkins and there's loads of pot marigolds soft seeded. Got courgettes growing up there. The compost bin's going to get moved because we have got rats or mice that ate my sweet corn. Gooseberry area. Planted some leeks there, some spare leeks. Got kale I can harvest. The net off the brassica cage came off, so I need to sort that out. To all the cabbages. I need to harvest some so I can fit my Brussels sprouts in here. I've still got potatoes to dig up here. Them ones have already been dug up. Got lots of nasturtiums everywhere. I would have had more, but I've been getting rid of them. There's some over there as well. This I've just been giving to the chickens because I just don't like it. Chard. I think this is petal sprout and broccoli. And that's my Brussels sprouts. I don't know when I'm going to get any, but I need to sort all this out. Rhubarb's dying down now. Nettles I need to dig out. Chickens, been getting apples as treats. That's everything. It's a really quick plot tour. Everything's finally slowing down now. So I've got that to concentrate on over the next few months before spring. And tidy things up a bit. But I like to leave things out, like the pumpkins, sweet corn, just for the bugs over winter, so they've got somewhere to go. I don't really tidy up until spring. Right, come on then, Casper. We've got to go because it's starting to rain. I've got loads of chrysanthemums I've been getting. These red ones are really late, and they're probably my favourite ones as well. They're just about to open up now. Got loads of yellow ones. Pink ones are quite nice as well. So they've got like a hint of orange in them. And that was more leeks over there. Oh, yeah, these ones. Like, they've got an orange centre. And I did have an orange one that I picked yesterday, and they're in the house. I'll show you a picture right now. Got white one, so there's another red one. I was going to label them all, but I've decided against it. I don't know if it'll keep them out over winter, or dig them up and put them in a greenhouse or something, I don't know. What do you do? That's everything. I'm going to have to go because it's raining and I need to get my trimmer home. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye!